Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our Focus Third series, today we'll concentrate on 4 words: begin, began, both, book. So let's start with the first word, begin. B-E-G-I-N, begin. Present tense is begin and the past tense is began. To begin, will begin, begin with, begin on, begin to. I read the storybook from beginning to end. It's a very interesting story. You too should read it. You must begin a sentence in English with a capital letter. When will the show begin? The show begins at 2 p.m. The show is about to begin. Let's go in. Charity begins at home. The meaning of this is think about people, think about helping people who are close to you. It might be your family or your friends before helping others. Let the game begin. It's raining. After a rain delay, the game will finally begin. The second word is began, B-E-G-A-N, began. So again here I'll repeat the same thing. Present tense is begin and past tense is began. Began work, began with, began to, began on, began my journey. After the internet began, it was easy to make friends with people from around the world. When I began my business, I began with one idea. After I began my journey, I began to enjoy the feeling of success. As soon as we got home, it began to rain. Thank God. Bill had to do his homework. He began doing his homework immediately after dinner. The third word is both. Both hands, both off, both ways, both parties, both side. Gina and Meena are best friends. Gina and Meena are both positive and happy people. Both of them decided to go to Dehradun for a week. The travel was both relaxing and exciting. Meena, let's go shopping for some kurtis. I like these 2 kurtis. Try on both kurtis. Okay. I feel I'll take both the kurtis. Okay. You look good in both of them. Let's eat something. What shall we have? Cake or ice cream? I would like both cake and ice cream. Anyhow, we are come on holidays, so let's enjoy both. The fourth word is book. Bookstore, bookmark, notebook, textbook. Hello Neeta, where are you going? I'm going to purchase my notebooks and textbooks for the new academic year. Rita, did you finish reading the storybook? Yes, I finished reading the book. In fact, I was coming to your house to return the book. Take the book. Thank you. If you're fond of reading, why don't you join the library? The library has many good books. I'll surely join and thank you for letting me know. I need an accounts book. Where can I find one? Bharat Bookstore has it. You can go there. Thank you. And that's all for this lesson today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Thank you always for being my inspiration. Be happy always.